Can you show it? Well, where's your baby doll? Oh, what is he sleeping in? What's he on? What did you make for your baby? You made a
vacuum for my baby doll.
A vacuum? I thought you made a bed. Did you make a bed?
No, I didn't.
Why aren't you bringing your baby doll to camp?
I don't want my baby doll.
Yeah, but why don't we want him? Because we don't want to put him in... Remember? What don't we want to put him in?
In my room.
Right, would he get dirty?
Yeah.
You want to go put him in his bed?
I'm gonna lay down him in this bed. Here.
Okay. What about his pillow?
I put this pillow up top. And put his pillow up top. There.
Okay. Very nice. Perfect. Why don't you put your baby doll down and then you have there you go. Okay, put him in this bed. Can you give him a... You gonna give him a little kiss?
Yeah. I will. Him a little kiss.
Yeah. Okay, relax. Okay, relax. Okay, made it a little better. Okay. There you go. Give him a kiss and then put him in his bed. Say night-night.